Imagine a world where your car drives itself, your doctor is powered by data, and your voice assistant understands your emotions. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we live, work, and connect with the world. From chatbots answering customer queries to algorithms predicting climate patterns, AI is quietly becoming the engine behind countless innovation. In healthcare, AI is enhancing diagnostics and treatment. Algorithms can detect diseases like cancer from scans faster and more accurately than human doctors. Robots assist in surgeries, and predictive tools help monitor patient conditions in real time, potentially saving lives. In transportation, self-driving cars use AI to process real-time data from cameras, sensors, and maps, paving the way for safer, more efficient roads. Logistics companies use AI to optimize delivery routes, saving time and fuel. AI is also reshaping industries. In finance, algorithms detect fraud and automate trading. In agriculture, AI-powered drones and sensors help farmers monitor crops and optimize yield. In education, personalized learning platforms adapt to each student's pace and style. Even our daily entertainment is powered by AI. Recommendation systems on Netflix or YouTube analyze your behavior to suggest content tailored just for you. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa rely on AI to understand and respond to natural language. But this transformation comes with challenges. Ethical concerns about privacy, surveillance, and job displacement are growing. As machines take over repetitive tasks, the demand for human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking will rise. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a partner in our evolution. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already has. The real question is, how will we choose to shape that change?